Do you need help sleeping?
Yeah, I do.
Well, have I got just the thing for you. Works every time. But now, how is he going to wake up? Introducing the Astounding Alarm Clock 3000. It knows just what it'll take to wake you up. Whether you want to get it as a gift or get it for yourself, this alarm clock is the perfect wake-up call for anyone and everyone. It's even equipped with 100 internal systems that are sure to wake up any individual. Here, let's try the supersonic sound system. He won't stand a chance.
Biden, wake up.
Wake
Oh,
up,
Biden,
wake up,
wake up.
wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
If stage 1 didn't work, that's completely fine. The second one always does the trick.
Oops, it looks like he's still asleep. After 3 attempts, the alarm clock's violence restrictions are completely forgotten. If it hasn't woken you up yet, you might as well be dead.
Buy the Outstanding Alarm Clock today, and if you call in the next 10 minutes, you get 50% off. Call 450-999-999-88. Imagine that, for only $80 for an alarm clock. It's like a dream, the deal of a lifetime.
Disclaimer, Wake Up Inc. will not be held responsible for
Wake up.
anything.